They told you AI tools make you 10 times faster? They lied. Data shows experienced devs are actually 19% slower. If you're leaning on AI, research suggests you training yourself to be useless. Everyone's yelling that AI is replacing us. Vendors show how shiny demos where code appears in seconds. What they hide is that 19% drop in actual output. I've been coding since 1984. I've built companies and sold them. Take it from me. If you don't control the tool controls you. You used to build things. Now you review what a machine spits out. You're spending 9% of your week checking AI mistakes. Your debugging time jumped from 12% to 18%. That's a 50% increase in fixing errors. You expect it to be 24% faster, but you're 19% slower. Why? Because you're losing your flow. You're switching between coding mode and judging mode. You're not a creator anymore. You're a janitor cleaning up after a machine. How to fix it? Track your time for a week. If you spend more time reviewing AI than thinking logic, you're upside down. Use tools like METR for atomic commits. Stay in the driver's seat. AI writes code that looks clean, but it's basically insecure by dumbness. It forgets validation and error handling, among other things, unless you specifically ask for it. Statistics showed 90 to 100% of AI code has too many comments, and 80 to 90% of it skips refactoring completely. You're shipping at machine speed with human-level flaws. AI focuses on finishing the task, not the big picture. You end up with a big ball of mud. One AI fix today creates 3 problems in 6 months. How to fix it? Never take AI code as is. Use a security instruction set on every prompt. Ask for input sanitization and bounds checking every single time. New devs are starting with AI and skipping the basics. They can vibe code a prototype, but they can't fix it when it breaks. Every senior are getting rusty letting AI do the grunt work. Roles that use AI pay 128% more, but there's a trap. If you skip the manual labor of debugging, you won't spot the hallucinations. You won't catch a memory leak that crashes the system because you never learn how systems actually work. How to fix it? Code one hard thing manually every week. No AI. Use skeleton architecture. You build the bones, interface, and the classes, and you let the AI fill in the repetitive stuff. Keep your brain sharp. The answer isn't to quit AI, it's to orchestrate it. You lead, the AI executes. I use a 3-step system: tactical, architectural, human. Tactical, use schema validation and atomic commits. Don't ever let that machine off the leash. Architectural, you design the skeleton so the system stays solid. Human, you're the coach. Ask for merge readiness packs from the AI. Do this before you even look at the code. I break this down inside the serious community. It's where we get work done without the hype. I've been doing this since 1984. I've seen the grind and I've walked away from it. AI isn't your enemy. Just don't blindly trust it. The devs who survives aren't the best at prompts. They're the ones best at checking results. AI is the motor. You're the driver that knows where to go. Don't let go of that steering wheel. Join the serious community for the frameworks and checklists. Stay in control. $9 a month. No fluff, just systems. Links below.